right, I want to brag on one of my new members, Scotty. Actually made his first post today. That's that little flower. I'll tell you, it was his first post today. And he joined the group. I can click on his name here. February 9th, he joined the group. And he's on the West Coast, so he's up early. So I hung on from 24 to 44, trade we called out this morning, for my first 20-point run. Feels great. On top of the 10-point short before that, it's been my best day. And then he at me, I'll be enrolling in boot camp shortly. He joined the DIY membership that does not have the boot camp, and he'll be enrolling in boot camp shortly. And I want to be a contributing member of the group. Awesome. Nice to have you aboard. And he posted his chart with his trades. And then I said, congrats, welcome aboard. Now tell me, how much calmer was your trading today compared to the past? One of the things that people tell me when they join our group is how much calmer trading is. How much calmer it is. So I was taking a stab, and I want to see what he said. Said, honestly, the stress level was practically non-existent relative to my solo trading. He started trading last November. It felt freeing. And that's awesome. That's when I feel like I've done my job, that I can help you perhaps get into a trade or two, make the calming nature of our room consistent, and that the levels bounce, which is really great. And the confidence and the stress-free comes from knowing the system and knowing that when price comes to our levels, it touches and bounces most of the time. Let's go with that one. So I told him I was going to talk about his trade on YouTube if he was fine with that. He said, please do. Once you put confidence in the system, it just becomes an exercise in patience rather than an emotional roller coaster. And he talks about getting up early in California. And that is very, very, very true. It is an exercise in patience. You will not experience the emotional roller coaster if you are on your chart, marking your levels correctly. And when we're trading together on Zoom, we truly trade better as a group. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.